So, hello everybody, how's it going?
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat
It's looking
my
fine.
weight in
Let me get.
glee? I live inside my
I hope
own
this is no
world of
copyright.
make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles,
Pretty much like
profanities.
and then
Some
people.
days I feel skinny,
Today I will try to speak
funny
12
other
hours.
days.
To be honest, I'm just aiming for like 12 to 10. Okay, speak. Just give me
I
a
love
second.
everything.
Okay,
Fire
I have to also check.
spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
I'm not even subscribed to my. I can not even hear myself.
I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension.
How do I verify if I hear myself? I might. How do I add a new? I can hear myself. Let me get a earphone. Mic test 1 to 3. Okay. Wrong with this. Alright. Oh, I can hear. Oh, myself. Audio. I'm not sure. Just speak on left. Alright. Hear myself. Alright. Hear myself. I think I can hear myself. 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 Hear myself. I think I can. Alright. So I will consider this as you guys can hear me fine. Uh, I really hope that you guys. But pretty much the stream started well. And if you guys can hear me or if you cannot hear me, uh, hear me. I'm not sure why. The audio stream's current bit is zero, lower than recommended. Not really a nice thing. I will need to look into what is the problem. So I can see the audio here now. Fine. 3, 2, 1. I will consider this as okay. Now I can hear. Oh, programming time. Programming time. Cannot hear me say okay. Programming. Okay. Wait, I can just start recording. 3, 2, and test my camera. It goes up. Already started. I cannot not work. Hello, hello. Hello, everybody. Hello. I am just like it out there. 3, 2, 1. Is it working now? Okay, it is working now. Is it last test? Interesting. I am able to see the mic moving up and down here, but for some reason people cannot hear me. What kind of reason? This does not make sense. You know, try to add audio in. Okay, let's try this. No, let's cancel that. Let's delete. That. Okay. Hello everybody, can you guys hear me now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This does not make sense. I have to do something about this. Okay, so can I hear myself? Okay. Hello everybody, can you guys hear me now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This does not make sense. I have to do something about it. I think I will need to add some filters in this thing. Then the can I hear my stuff will work properly. Yeah. Limiter. Can you guys hear me now? And then I can add noise suppression. I'm not sure what is this about. I have to do something about it. I think I will need to add some filters in this thing. Then the have to do something about it. I think I will need to add some filters in this thing. Then the I have to filters in this thing. Okay, I will just mute it for some time. So good quality and compressor. Um, I'm not sure what that means. Expander, yeah, whatever. First, and then I can just upward compressor. I'm not sure what that means, but sounds like it will text audio. Compressor, expander, gain, noise. That's it. So consider this as done. So we did it. Hopefully. Partially I see the mind. Hopefully. I can hear myself, but partially I see the mind. This is weird. I can hear myself, but partially I see the mind. This doesn't work now. I can hear myself, but partially I see the mind. I can hear myself, but partially I see the mind. Okay. So I will just wait for a few seconds, like 5.5, and now I will just wait for a few seconds, like 5.5, and now I will just wait for a few seconds, like 5.5. Better than not working. I guess 5 or 6. My audio, but like to advanced audio properties. So can I hear myself now? Now? I can hear myself. I can hear myself now. I can hear myself. Nice. So I think pretty something. I think I should not have any limits. Now do we? Don't need any. Now do we? Need it. But the audio is like broken in areas. It's not really. Ah, okay. So I just removed the voices. Oh, mic testing. But if probably does not, what this does not make sense either. Heard myself for like a second, but then it was able to do output gains. Yeah, I need some gains. I don't know what the threshold means. Okay, output gain are here as well. Let's increase that. Limiter, we don't need limiter. Noise gate, yeah. Okay, the volume is increased for sure. Let me decrease it a bit. All right. This is good. This is good. This is good. I can hear myself perfectly now, almost. But there are a bit of issues, but otherwise it's amazing. Looking good. Yeah. So it took me like how many minutes? Like 14 minutes to set up the stream, and now I can finally get started. So before I get started, I will just connect my headphone, so the earphone, to the application, sorry, to the laptop, and I will just verify if I can hear myself right now or not. The application. Yes, I can. Now I will just try to listen a bit of music. Okay, so it's running, but I cannot hear it. I wonder if you guys can hear it. Well, the desktop audio is null, so I'm assuming that this thing is broken. I'll close that. I'll go back, I'll open Spotify once more, and damn, this thing is closed for real. I can hear it now. I will just go to settings and change the audio a bit. Volume mixture, please. And Spotify can go to like 4 because this is a bit loud. Okay. So I think I am assuming that you guys can hear me fine now. If you guys cannot hear me fine right now, then it's weird. So I think I am assuming that you guys can hear me fine. Well, the desktop audio is null, so I'm assuming that this thing is broken. I'll close that. I'll go back. I'll open Spotify once more, and damn, this thing is closed for real. Yo, everybody, what is up? So I'm back. I lost. I got lost, but I'm back now. So where were we? Yeah. So pretty much, I'm trying to set this thing up. First of all, I'll just here. I'll do that. This. Okay. And I'll change this to like 20 pixels. Now I need to make this thing seamless. Like right now, it is like four blocks, but I have to make it so it looks like a single block. So I have no idea how to do that. Of course, I'll ask people. Screenshot and how should I make it like a single section? Well, I was expecting to ask this stream, but I cannot ask it to nobody. Wait, there are two buddies, so two buddies, can you help me out? Suggest me what to do. Let me just pause the audio because I want to out. How should I? Yeah, so it sounds like that you guys can hear me out. Yeah, so alright. So now help me out, humans. Tell me what should I do fun. I was looking into some examples. They are kind of shitty, not really, not really a website. What should I do? How should I make it look good? Question. I pretty much I can start with making it have the same background. That's a good start. So what do I do? What do I do? First of all, background color can be very much dark green, nice. Border can be none. Okay. Um, Next area. Focus. Yes. All right, looks fine. Let's test it out. Right, copy this. Right, right. Okay. So even if this thing is focused, okay. So I think it's pretty much a single block now. Not yet. Bone soap, and I can end up order right now. Solid, pixel, and color. Right. Dark second. Not bad also. I will look into the color later. What's the width can be light. 10%. Punch. That will work. This. And now let's start with the border radius as well because we love border radius. If it's not border radius, then it looks worse. That's what someone said to me. So the problem is this can happen. So what do I do about that? I have no idea. First of all, I can do something like overflow hidden. Okay. CSS, text area, auto height. How does that work? Let's find out. Content and oh, this is nice. Text getters solution with span. Okay. Solution is only the Ah, I see. So the solution with span is the best so far. Well, so we found a solution for our first problem. Let's hope it works. I will. In a case two, Wikipedia will just search the span and I'll do content editable. Okay, I will not. So let's try to find some other options. There might be another way to do it, right? If using pure JavaScript code, auto group, element.style, resize is done, overflow is hidden. Might oh that might work. So let's try it out. Pretty much yeah. Resize none, we don't here. So this thing is like for reset. I think that I will just add the resize option. That seems like the best idea to be honest, because otherwise I'm not really sure how I can manage it. Like we can have our option here. Not sure how to resize it either. I move the border none. It will. There is no resize option. What the heck? Oh, got it. Oh, nice. Improvement. So now my question is this good? Is this better? From what these guys say? I mean, might not say anything at all. That's possible. Is that let's hope that this. What's up, Riz Vision? Long time no see. अच्छा है पढ़ाई कर. I am no longer a student, so पढ़ाई is not my thing. So this is अच्छा. That means sounds good. Hmm. See the chat. This summary is done. Let's change the background. Can see the screen. I can see the screen. What do you mean? I can see the screen. You should be able to see. I hope. This is weird. Are you joking? Are you joking, human? For it. Color will be light main. That's a bit too light. Light background. A bit light. I guess I will just use the black color. A bit. That should be yeah, that's better. It's black, just voice. Let me check it from my mobile. That's not possible. I can see the screen, bro. I have a mobile. Alright. I think this should be it. This time to testing. Ha, 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 ha. I think the subjective blocks offline. This is it. Let's go into subjective values. Subjective on chain, blah blah blah. Set subjective. Fine. So if oh, it is supposed to be not. My bad, everybody. My bad. So if I update now, scope updated. I don't remember which one was it. What, this one? Yeah, this one. So I do this, open it. Yeah, it is not updated now, it's gone. Why is that? Interesting question. Oh, I know what to do. I can copy this and paste it right here. And I can copy this, paste it right here. Boom. Congrats, everybody. We just completed the damn thing. Let me show you. Let's double click on update and then this fine on this. Yep. I reload the screen. We find two. So as you can see, we did it. Let me check the two. I mean, this is best. Not the best, but this is good. Should be good enough. So if I go on my to-do list, word soap is done. Ah, let's go. So the first task of the day is done. That was this website. Just commit all of the changes. It content work is done. The origin. You will get a repo for the backend. I will just call it like this. Private story. Copy the link. This there. And I hope this. I think I'm not typing properly because there are not typos already. I can see this or this. What the Oh, my bad. is an old folder, so I edit that thing. My bad. I will call it the initial updates. And push. Boom. There we go. So now this part is done. Now we gotta look into what's next. This work is done. Got started, and I have yeah, I know what that. So I will close this for now. This okay, go to the speeds for bots. Uh, yes, I have to do this one, so let's complete this one as well. And let me just message one more. I'm not sure if I should show team, so I will do it from my phone. Who knows what I might expose if I open it on this video? Oh, right. Okay. Button file. Hmm. Okay. Alright, so I will try to get a smart card. That's yes. Alright, nice. Just reply to limit. Fighting. Alright. Well, this music sounds good. I will just add it. Oh yeah, I have some random playlist. I don't know. They don't really make sense, but sounds good. Once. Oh, I think I have a pet for sure. Pet's few. I totally remember. I don't have a pet. That's a lie. I totally had a rock. Come on. I used to have a rock like a few years ago, or no, but still, these guys killed my rock. Hello, money bags. For the next weekend, we had drop. Hey, uh, I'm not sure what that means. But anyways, we were buying. Yeah, yeah. I used to have a rock, man. I used to. I remember having a bunny as well. Cat girl. What the fuck? Not for sale. Oh, these guys are not for sale. And the cat girl is for sale. Dragon. Hey, damn. They have nice emojis for at the very least. Let's try to buy a rock. Rock is friendly with itself, and she's friendly with cat and cat girl. And she's hostile with a alien and a dog. That's weird. But what's saying? The fuck is this? Dragon. Ooh, crab. So in short, nobody is hostile with a rock. I think yeah. Nobody is hostile with a rock. What? So the rock is the most loved pet so far. Oh wait. Turtle hates the panda. Oh, probably. Yeah. But hmm. What about this guy? What about Alien? Alien is hostile with the rock. Why? Alien is such a weirdo, man. Anyways, let's see what's up with T-Rex. T-Rex hates a lot of people. Yeah. T-Rex, the hater in short. Alright, I wasted enough. Oh, you opened the shop in the same day? It is friendly with nobody. Nice, nice. So let's do some work. Alright. Dun, dun, dun. First of all, I will, what should I do? I need to make some API routes. The first option is I literally just make it all in the index.js. And second option is I copy paste some old code and then I have separate folder and files and stuff for every damn thing. And I'm going to do that. I don't really remember. And it right. Source utility handler.js. So I will copy the handler.js, put it in the utility, and we should be half good. Handler.js, router. So I will make a folder called routers. I will make a file called handler.js. So that, that this. Now we just go in index.js. That's not enough. So let me start. Copy this. Yes. That, and boom. I will install Plastify. And then now I add boom and boom and boom. Bam. All. So now I just need to copy paste an example. That's it. Source is router version 1, 1000.s. Copy it, close that, copy this, paste that, and then node fetch. I don't need any of this. That and boom. So now we have our example ready. Stream on mobile as well because I know this because I rarely get any and I use those. Okay. All right. Oh, live chat. Okay. Mm, give me a second. I will just try to get a list of what I have to do. You guys can look into. So let me just go on Fiverr, get a list of things I have to do, and boom, hopefully. Alright, so there is Phoenix. Give me a second. I just need to copy the list and the work. Give me a- Light It Up is a nice song. Alright. Alright, I'm back humans. Spin again. Ah, probably just so now in the to-do list. So first of all, we need a route for getting a Discord user's character stats. How does that work? On router player one slash ID of the user. Now we're just gonna do response.send user model await user dot find one, and then ID will be request dot params um, params dot I. So let's try it right here. So I do. Why the hell I have no suggestions? Yes. Why the hell Fastify is being a bitch? I do Fastify dot no suggestions at all. That's weird. Very weird. Like, let's think about it. App, proxy, blah, blah, blah. Why is this not working? What's wrong with this thing? Uh, okay. Okay. Yeah, app. I will just close Visual Studio. That might help. I opened two by mistake. First one, okay. One, I will pass more. And I really hope this time it will be or sometimes Visual Studio Code just tries to be a bitch and not give typings. Yeah, it's working. If I do request or comes to ID, that goes. No. So we are back here. The to-do list on the right side. Let's. So we are done with the first one. We are able to get the step. Uh, okay. I have a nice idea. So this is like for getting the full data. Then we can have one for like the stats dash stats. Pretty simple, right? Let me look into the model first of all because oh, so how it is. Model user.js. So now let's first of all we have ID. Hmm, we have ID. We have name. We have stats. Hmm, okay, stats. And we have weapons as well. All right. We also have resistance. Okay, okay, okay. I think what I can do is I can first of all this cost as well. This not data and this to her, or I can just send data. Same thing does not matter. We do have some data. Then what we have to do is first of all dot data dot stats. The all the damn stats. Then we need balance. Balance. Now we need few more properties. First of all, of course, the ID. Because why not, man? ID and name is like the most important thing ever. Species and bio, I don't really care about that. These are weapons, doesn't matter. Last activity, I'm not sure what that is. Last health, resistance. Yeah, resistance can be perfect. So this is for the stats part. Pretty easy. Right. Now we have our weapons. Two weapons. So what do we do in the weapons? Pretty much similar. Instead of we don't need a sensor, but we don't even need balance. Right? We'll put it down. Alright. Now this is like a ladder. Bang, 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 bang. And looks beautiful. Yeah. So what do we need in this thing? ID is done, name is done. This is what shape. We need ranged, melee, arcane, armor. I think I will need a lot of routes. They will need to do a lot of them. Okay. I think I can make the life easier to make the life. So let me just go to like there. I like user and like. Well, well. So now the question is, my friend, what do we do? Pretty simple. Now a user we buy the weapon and everything. That will be a dynamic activity. So then dynamic item. Now I have a feeling that I'm caching all of these things, so it's not a big deal. Yeah, I want to index purchase to be released. Constants should viable. Constants, and I don't see any viable option yet. To this song is interest, and then it too hard. To, 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 arranged, melee, and king, and mer, and she, heal. Last activity, last health doesn't really matter to be honest. But for that, what next? What is next? Oh, I have no idea what is. Just text is done. User weapon is done. Get a user's item. Wow. Items. How do we invent it? I forgot. But item or ID name user and hmm, how the hell this works? No, this does not make sense. Because, my goodness, what is wrong with my math? MT. What are we saying? This and and inventory is true user should be item items. Dot. So first option is constant stands dot bible dot by x value dot id. Yeah, this is the first option. I think this is the option. Let me just check something. If I try to buy an item, what happens? You just item dot create, we give the ID, and that's fine. So pretty much I do that. Then easy, easy. Let's go. We did it. So now we have one for items. Nice. This. that is done. Now we need some for updating the data. For that, I will just go to pick a route for item. Item, follow item slash data. This will literally just type and go constant. Come on, slot variables. And similarly, we can have one for town hall, right? Town slash town hall items. Easy. So we pretty much have two type of items. So it's done. Variable. Now we need to give them the power of updating the data and shit. All right. How will that work now? Okay, that will work from there. Okay. Ah, and then we have saved some user logs. Need this one. Let's start with update a user steps. Let's start. Hmm, okay. So in JavaScript, can we do this? Is bracket. Okay, that's nice. So we need to give them the power of updating the stats, swap in item list. Okay. How will that work? I have no idea. So I will just and I'll just copy this. Go here, slash update slash stats. Let's make it a post. Let's make it slash stats itself. Now we just need to do await user to find one and update. Now we will comma body. I think that should work. I will just verify one thing. Fastify body. Do we need to use some? I don't want a raw body. I think it auto converts it. So that's perfect. Amazing. Oh, I think that's it. Because these things are pretty much merged into a single one. For yes, save some user logs. No idea how that will work. I can do some other things. Slash copy this in game. Then I will just I have to first of all go here. Alright. Then I need to do some type or whatever. Yeah, I have to do this. Router.client dot um 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 fighting dot in client dot fighting dot dudes that arms to complete. That will be for that. And then I will just add few more routes. One will be post, one will be east. It does not indicate and dot push. Otherwise, eh, that should work, right? And I can do the same thing for delete. It's so good. API is easy. If the thing is already done, of course. Otherwise, I will need to follow this. And that this work. All right. Done. All right. I think I just need to make a little documentation of this thing, and then we should. So let me show you all how to make an amazing. Does anyone know how to create a speak system for uh, property? Pretty. That's a nice question. Hmm. Oh man, I'm already dying. Hmm. So where were we, my friends? Yeah, still listen. Yeah. So routes.md, of course. Then you do Control Shift V. I don't really remember the extension name. Let's see what is it. Uh, I think this is the one. It is depreciated. Okay. My bad, humans. But this works. Come on. Who cares? Not me. So let's see what are the available routes. I will do here. What are the available here? Route. Then info. The first one is there's user ID. I really hope that I will understand this because I'm making this API for someone else. I'm not sure if they will understand this. I really will because if they will not, then it's bad for me. So I can get that. Let me remove. All right, that's perfect. I should have posted this thing at the very end, but this now the other options are stats and web. First of all, let's give some information. get star. So this is a get, and now in the description I'm just going to get all to user, right? So I of course I'm a good guy. Also have some example. Like first of all, let me run the get route to. I can say something like example. Why is this thing inside it? Okay, okay, I can do this. This example response. What will be better? I think this will be a lot better because this way this thing is like in this area and this is not inside. So, it feels in my room. So we are on the route 3002. APIs like this, right? So, nice. Let me try to get my data. Boom. Nice. I'll just copy all of this. Copy that. Boom and boom. But wait, I should have just done this. Damn, I'm so dumb. But anyways, let's look into this now. With the stats, the ranged value, ranged will not look like this. Yeah, it will. Hmm, I expect that. So after this, we have to work on out. That will be slash user slash stats. So now we should get the stats. This, this, that, and under resistance is an empty array. That is not really good. So what do we do, my friends? We just go to model, user, Resistance by repository. I think we have three capabilities, if I'm not wrong. Resistance. One, two, three. Let's see. Wait. 7 and 8. So in the MD, I will also add it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will uh, that is list. That's I will just do this. Just give me a second, humans. Alright. Nice. It's fine. It's 9. This we have example response for slash test. That's of a user. Simple. So after that, we need to go to the weapons. Weapons. This is a lie. I literally remember having a weapon. I have this weapon. I have this weapon. I have this weapon. So why is this guy lying to me? That's a really nice question. Let's find out. So let's go to player.js. We have items weapon. Now, first of all, I can just console.log. Right. So console.log this data. And instead of node, let's use dot. And let's wait for the reload. Let's count to 5, 1, 5, reload that. We look into this. Some items by SS, by LS. Oh, because these items does not exist. Nice. So let's make them exist. It can't be that hard now. My constants, I have all of them for I just copy this. C. Yes, Mongo C. Just return right here. Once R is equal. Now AR dot each asynchronous item is wait. What is it called? Dynamic item. Dynamic item. Wait. So what do you need, my boy? At I will call that date dot now. Check to variables change that depends on item dot. Let's do dot 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 dot. Bypass sheet. Do we have such option? Yes, we. So bypass sheet not needed. Change not needed. Dice not needed. Item not needed. Max and min. Um, Max and min is not needed. Name and price uses type and uses. What about the uses? Uses doesn't matter as well. I will just add a type thing. Type is equals to I dot type. Otherwise min. That works. Perfect. So now I will just remove this turn. Just for a while. Go back here. Load. In. Load again. I know why. Well, first of all, I would like to first as I wish I could clear the screen, but an empty array. Not empty this time. A lot of items. But we'll copy this, paste there, that. I think I will also need to add an API key and so what is buy algo. So to be access item here, we have an item like that. Ooh, 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 ooh. That. This guy's fine. This is such a scam. Dot ID. Fuck man. Let's paste that. Go to the bottom. Reload. Let's reload. It's undefined. This is really weird. Data dot. Oh, got it. So the issue was I was not doing .id, but I do question mark .id. It will work from now on, trust me. 3, 2, 1, boom. 3, 2, 1, boom. So I will just copy all of this, copy this, go here, go in routes.mv. This is for stats. I'll just copy this and view reference of the user. Copy here, see, I will do this. Now, first we go here and do tab. Here, do that. ID we have ranged. Milli, whatever the fuck, who cares? Now, that's the three routes done. You can also get the items of it. Touring, and then items. We have null. Why do we have null here? Question. Items. Yeah, let's say. Well, items. Oh, sort of items. Half of those. Oh, I guess happens. Otherwise, it would be null. Then copy the art. So if I go here is nice. So what is next one? That's nice. What to make the feeling? Item. Okay. So I will just copy this one because this I'll copy this and items item owned by a user. Now let's example this uh, 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 now in the items dot 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 X. Now, for items, have the option to update it. That is going to be a bit hard. That's good. A bit of maths. And now let's go to the in-game route. Get under information. Now we go into the in-game. Um, yeah, here's game. Check whether the user status. So what is next, my human friends? I'm blah, blah, number true or false. That now after the get return option, post. That use game. So true. Game. That user already in. That delete, I believe. Delete. Remove user in-game status. So, so what is next? Check whether the user is by the way. Okay. So we are done with the in-game routes. Now items, how do we? Maybe yeah, why not? Just first items, items, ancestry. Get the list of available player items. Easy. That nobody's all right. But we can stream for 12 hours. Let's count. Let's go to slash items. Fine. Hmm. Fine. Nice. Um, Come on, my friends. See this or five, five of these. Nice. What is next? Now I just need to work on update users. Hashtag update user. This is a bit hard because I will need to explain them almost everything. Now I'm not really good at explaining. I will see. Give me a second. I'll be back. Let me get some. Oh, I'm back, humans. 20 views. Oh my god. Popularity. Copy this. Post. Okay. Okay. So first of all, okay. For the example response, I will just copy paste example copy this example. Data data. Now I also need a similar for example. Do something similar, something simple. I mean, pretty much I'm just going to make that guy lower because API. I mean, so then P P fetching the hit and that's a lot of examples. Software stacks we can also change their changed type. So for example, if I want to change the longbow, I longbow. Do we have any other type? I have no idea. I will just go to localhost 1002/i for items slash here. Give a long show. We have two of these. But for now, clouds. Now we have Millie. Or alright. That's how you can update the weapon. That's it. Stats. Let's also show them how to balance. That should be good enough. Thing. MongoDB. Fine. Let's go to MongoDB docs. I will just link that guy to the find one part. Search find. Not geeks, but this is the one, the operator. This is good. This is like a really nice converted in PDF. And look at this one. But yeah, that's well, let's try to change it into a PNG. Um, that's what CD and hosted. Copy the path. Looks lovely. So I will send the guy all of the view. And change this for a moment. Just notify the guy, yo, the document. Uh, well, given the PDF and the PNG and the here, continue feeds, what's command, the Phoenix is uh, now I will just update all of. Let me just push it all to the hosting side. Since my human friend browse one cannot even spell origin. Really, really sad. Um, I just realized I didn't edit an option to the base URL, so I'll do that the text message or something. Open the Slack and on Slack and and two. Peace. Documentation file. Alright, so how do I get the documentation file? Just fetch that. How do I attach? Not a link. How do I attach it? Good for me. I don't really use this application, so I'm not using it here. Download.pdf. Download. Yeah. Alright, you guys can look at this now. Yo, so the second thing is done as well, and I'm streaming since 2 hours. So that's good. Did some work, did some work. Alright, let's see how this thing is going. Is it possible to show the dates? Um, Yeah, that's good. Uh, let's see. But yeah, folder. Yeah, I think streaming is pretty much nice, but of course, I'm at a risk of showing something which I should not show. So it's a bit hard. I guess pretty much a monthly. I also have to see how do we show. Uh, it's a number, right? I will need to make my own array. Current funds. What about client.month? Here and I can month. Lovely. And and let me hide the screen again, cause yeah, of course. We go here, don't mind me, bang bang. So I don't remember the glitch. Uh, do. I'm in the wrong. Probably impartial. It's an interesting song as well. I will give it a try. Impartial. Oh, I just forgot some. Um, Alright, I found it. Amazing. Long enough. City, bang, boom, boom, bang, boom. He did it. Oof. Effective. That, that. Yo, Magical Sport, what is up? Long time no see. Alright, screen should be visible. Monthly is not a big deal. What the frick? What the frick? Hmm. Ah, ah. I cannot see the June. Why is that? Okay, I will just create a new leaderboard. Code, display. How the. Ah, we see each other on Discord though. Yeah, I mean, on Discord you talk to Shishri. On live stream you are talking to Karthikeya, so different guys. Totally not same people. Not at all. But anyways, let me just change something. You can look into Strava Connect, look into this W channel, and you can wait for the magic to happen. Connect it, bang, 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 boom, bang. Alright, alright. See how this works. Masses, Baran. Oh my goodness. I found the issue, my friends. I found the damn issue. Face. So guys, the issue is fixed. No longer get a problem. Likely, so how this goes. 3, 2, 1, boom. Bang. It shows July. Good. So pretty much the third thing is done as well. Done is done, done, done. I guess that's it for my to-do list. I think yeah, mainly this is what I need to do. Have a Phoenix, the website, Sky. Now I can actually start working on my own thing. First of all, let me check what is the status of button. I think I have added the ticket system. So I have the option to either make some YouTube videos right now for ButtonBot, which I don't really boring, or what else can I do? Let's see what is the status of ButtonBot though. It is in 140 Discord servers. Oh my god. Interesting. Yes, very interesting. 4.56 review. The review is dying. So pretty much this guy fucked up the review. So alright. Now let me think. What should I do next? This is done. Oh yeah, I can actually work on the crazy bot. Alright, humans, what should I do? The hard question. I feel like sleeping to be honest, but let's see. I don't have a to-do list here. Let's look into the commands. Anyway, edit profile, auto.js. I don't see the bid and delivery. Yeah, I think I should just go and sleep for a while because I feel like dead right now because I'm streaming since 2 hours and I'm not that productive of a guy, so I will take a break, get back in an hour or two, and then restart the programming. Thanks a lot for watching. Oh, thanks. See you all soon, my